So what are the tools you need to know for you to be able to program a computer? So in our previous video, we talked about what you need to know for you to be able to write a program to a computer. So I discussed all the topics you should know. When you know all of those topics, you can be able to write program to a computer. So when you learn all those topics, that is not enough. Where can you write this program? You can't just write program anywhere in your computer. You need to have a dedicated software where you can write the program and then use that and send that program to the computer so that it can execute it. So we usually call that software IDE. So for when you learn all those programming, you can't even learn them without having the IDE in your computer. So what are the tools you need to know for you to be able to use those tools to be able to program a computer? So I'm going to divide the two devices. We have a smartphone and also we have a laptop, or I say PC, personal computer. So if you are using a smartphone to learn programming, so these are the tools that are going to help you depending on the programming language you are learning. For example, if you are learning Java, you can use a software we call Java and IDE. That software is going to help you to write program in Java programming language, and also is a very good software for you to learn Java programming with it inside your smartphone. And also we have a software what we call Pydroid. We use that Pydroid, we use it to learn Python programming. You can use it to write program in Python programming language, and also is going to help you to learn Python programming with just your smartphone. And also we have SPCK editor. SPCK editor is also a software in a mobile, in a smartphone, where you can use to learn web development. You can write HTML inside, you can execute JavaScript and some of the things inside the SPCK editor. And also we have Bluno loader. For example, maybe you are a hardware enthusiast who are creating program inside a this thing Arduino, sorry. So if you are learning Arduino or you want to learn Arduino, so you can use Bluno loader as the software you use. And also, last but not the least, you are learning C++, you can use a CXX. So the guy who created Pydroid is the same guy who created CXX, which is also a software that you can use to write a C++ programming language. This is all the software that I mentioned is all for a smartphone user. But if you have a laptop, these are the software that you might consider. You will either use Visual Studio Code, you can download it inside the internet, or you can use a Sublime Text. So Sublime Text is very lightweight. I like it because when I'm using my mini computer, it's so fast and not that heavy. So you can also use Sublime Text when you are learning, especially when you are learning web development. And if you are learning Python programming, you can use a PyCharm. So I just wanted to let you know, guys, that I'm back in a journey where I'm going to teach you from zero to a programmer. And this video, I'm just telling you the tools that you might need to use for you to be able to write program in a computer, to program a computer. So let's go together and be a programmer.